Yeah, so interesting one. Perhaps Zishan, you can help answer that question. How many user stories you can commit for the given sprint?
So anyone wants to answer that? Khalid, Zia, how many user stories you can add in one sprint? Let's say the sprint is 2 weeks long.
Yes, it depends on resources and the user stories.
Velocity. What is the velocity of team? According to that velocity, we will pick the stories.
Yes, so velocity is for the team which are the teams which are very mature. So
Okay.
as we said, the estimation we have done today in terms of tracking activities, tracking the measurement of the team, these will be covered in a separate session. So yes, velocity is one measure, but this is for very mature teams who are consistently performing on some velocity and they are going over and above. Then yes, you can have story points, and then you can, let's say, in 2 week sprint, team is completing 5 user stories, then you can have 5 user stories for your next sprint as well. But it's a very new team, like you just started agile journey and you don't know the velocity of your team, you don't know how long they will take, then how you are going to plan your sprint? That's the question.
Story points we have covered, and what is the average of the average? So according to that average, from next sprint we will use that basically stats for picking up the story points.
Yes, story points we can pick definitely. So in terms of how many user stories we can take, so the example is our task board. So on our task board, we have created the task based on man hours. So we, as a team, know how many developers are available for how many days. Like we have 10 days in 2 weeks, and then we can multiply 40 hours by them. And then we can have a breakdown of all these user stories by hours. So to start the agile journey, we can do like this. Specifically, we can relate the task with the man hour available, and then you can plan up to the capacity of the team. That's how you do initial planning. So once you are mature and you are more into agile and you are doing um, estimation based on complexity rather than your man hours, then you will be like a performing agile team.